Today in the classroom, we talked about how to respectfully disagree with somebody, especially when you're in social media. Yikes. So I shared today what happened. I spilled the tea. Is that how you call it? Spilling the tea? I spilled the tea about something that just recently happened in my personal page of all places. I can kind of get it if I voice my opinion on social media as a public figure, but when I'm going in my own personal page, my house, somebody comes in and attacks me, called me names, called me a bigot, a racist. I mean, oh my gosh, I could not believe it. I tried everything I possibly could to kind of like, let's talk about it privately. They would not back down. But anyway, share my story. And out of that story came some great lessons for me, do's and don'ts when it comes to social media. And so I want to encourage you to go to whenyouneedafriend.com. While you're there, please subscribe, like, and follow me on all social media. Oh, by the way, if you subscribe to the website at whenyouneedafriend.com, make sure that you look for the email. It could be in your spam. And please opt in. And that way you can get the emails get sent to you for the blogs and the audio for the classes that happen, the new classes that come on. And all you have to do is opt in when you get that email. But if you go to the subscribe button and then you don't opt in, then you're not subscribed. So please check that out. And then share the video with your friends, especially somebody that you maybe have constantly poking in the eyes, where they say something and you roll your eyes, or maybe they've unfriended you. So many people have told me, 25-year friendship, they unfriended me. Oh, so sorry. I am so sorry. I'm sorry. We should use social media to lift each other up. That's my personal opinion. If you don't like what people are saying, scroll on, scroll on, scroll on, instead of, oh, you have offended me. Let's have a fight. To me, that is such cowardice. If you want to have a disagreement with somebody, be private about it. You don't have to take it out to the public and have a public shaming of the other person. And just go check out the class today. And I want to hear what you have to say about it, because it was like having red ants all over my body. I was trying, every ant that I took off, there were 10 ants that would jump on me. So just check it out and let me know what you think. And please remember, I'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyouneedafriend.com. This is Lily McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah.